Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is going to be my icon box for the month of August through Ipsy. This is kindly gifted from Ipsy, so thank you in advance to Ipsy for gifting. I'll pop deets right here and we're going to dive in. Alright, before I dive in, very quickly, if you're unfamiliar, I did pop deets and everything right here, but in the Ipsy icon box, you will receive this quarterly in lieu of your boxycharm subscription. It's $60 and we get 8 full-size products versus 5 like in the boxycharm. And the special thing about the icon box is that they are curated by celebrities, makeup artists, people like that. So it's kind of the curation of what they generally will use. They have a little pamphlet in here that kind of walks us through why they chose the products they did and things like that. So I feel like this is a really, really good value, guys, especially getting 8 full-size products. It is generally packaged really well. We will have our theming on top. Okay, apparently this is July's box, so I'm assuming I'm gonna get August also, and it's just very, very late. Okay, my bad, you guys. This is a July boxycharm, not an Ipsy icon box. Forget everything I just said. Boxycharm is 5 full-size items for $32. Okay, I just think they're very late. And just to kind of preface everything too, the month of July, to my knowledge, nobody, like no influencers, hate that term, no creators received the Ipsy boxes at all because they were kind of structuring the Ipsy ambassador programs and stuff like that. So I am incredibly grateful and thankful to still be part of it. So yeah, when I received my email that I was coming, I think I assumed it was August. So this is a very, 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 very late July box. I apologize. Anyways, the theme for July was Hot Glow Summer. July is your invitation to play with the latest evolutions in beauty. Kaleidoscopic pops of color, dewy skin that outshines any filter, futuristic self-care upgrades. Because this isn't just any summer, it's your best one yet. And we do have August pertinent deets from the 1st to the 3rd. You could have built your August box. Choice was open. Obviously, we have passed that. And then on 8/11, the mega drop shop starts. So yeah, I already received my paid for one of this, so we're just gonna dive in. I do apologize that I got that wrong, and yeah, sorry guys. First up, I have the Toy Factory, the Niacinamide Serum Lip Mask in Watermelon Whip. Oh my goodness, that sounds absolutely incredible. I love watermelon. We actually just got back from getting our produce and stuff for the week, and I got me some yellow watermelon, which I didn't even know was a thing, so yeah. Next up is the Innisfree, the Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Serum Facial Serum. Green tea and HA. That sounds amazing. I'll quickly show you what it looks like. It feels nice and heavy and deluxe. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. It feels like a glass bottle. All right. Next up, we have the, these are the Drunk Elephant, the Be Goldie Bright Drops with niacinamide. And I've had little samples. I can't remember. I don't think I've tried the Bright Drops, which is more of like the illumination drops, but I have tried the bronzer ones and the blush ones. Next up, I have the REM Beauty Midnight Shadows Liquid Eyeshadow in Fembot. Probably not something I'm going to keep. I think liquid eyeshadows are really pretty. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's a beautiful like multi-chrome. But with me having hooded lids, everything just creases. So unless I keep it like very, very, very low, it just does not wear well on me, y'all. But it's pretty. It's really beautiful. And then last but not least is the Beauty Bible, the OG palette. This is Carly Bible's brand. I did actually do a demo and stuff with this particular palette in my paid for box that I received. It's not my all-time favorite, not gonna lie. It wore well and stuff like that, but yeah, I've used better palettes, if I'm being completely honest. So we got a palette, our liquid eyeshadow, which I wish I could use because it's absolutely stunning. We got the Drunk Elephant Be Goldy Bright Drops. We got our Innisfree Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Serum Facial Serum. And then we got our Toy Factory Nia Pout Niacinamide Serum Lip Mask. So for me, I like the blend. I do like to get like more self-care, skincare-y type products, and then just a little bit of makeup. I feel like it's still a very well-rounded box. Not my all-time favorite, but it's good. So yeah, sorry about all the confusion, you guys. I mean, you'll see in the title that it's not an icon box. My bad, y'all. Yeah, so I don't know now if they're like a full month behind or if I'll be receiving August PR but not getting it till September. I'm not quite sure what's going on. I know that they are trying to restructure everything and in terms of the creator programs and stuff. So yeah, I'm very grateful to have this for sure. I didn't know it was a boxycharm. Anyways, that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you'll stick around, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you have not yet. I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I can only do it with your help. So if you see this and you're not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. There's also a notification bell you can click so you never miss an upload, and there's a join button right there that you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.